Hi, I'm Oscar working on behalf of Adept. I'm here today with Richard from Suffolk County Council. How are you doing, Richard?
Yes, I'm very well, thank you, Oscar. How are you?
Good, thank you. So to start off, can you tell us a bit about yourself, your role and the project you're working on?
Yes, certainly. So I'm Richard Webster. I'm the asset manager for street lighting at Suffolk County Council, but I'm also the project director for the Adept Live Labs project.
Okay, brilliant. And can you tell us a bit about the project specifically?
Yes, certainly. So we're looking to install a number of sensors, and we're seeking to see whether we can revolutionise some of the services that Suffolk Highways delivers. Now, it's a very wide-reaching project. So just to give you an example, we're looking at things like adaptive lighting through radars and through cameras. We're looking at adult and social care, how we can use our existing communication network in that environment. We're looking at air quality, gully sensing, looking at renewables through wind and solar. So as you can see, there's a number of applications related to highways that we're looking at.
I believe one of the part of the project is working on sort of road temperature. Could you tell us a bit about that?
Yes, certainly. So we're working with a number of partners in this. So if we take one, for example, the University of Suffolk, they're actually trialling some of the road surface temperature sensors at BT's Adastral Park. So we're doing compare and contrast. So we're looking at, do we use infrared technology to monitor the road surface temperature, or do we use in-ground technologies? So by doing that, we can actually compare and contrast the different technologies at different price points, look at returns on investment as well. And obviously at this time of year, that's very prevalent.
Brilliant. And to find out more about this project, you can join us at the Live Labs Expo on December 2nd. Thank you very much, Richard.
Thank you.